Well, we did warn you that even if you're lucky enough to keep your plan, you're going to have to pay for it. Companies are bracing for a flood of new workers to participate in their insurance plans because of Obamacare. And FoxBusiness.com's Kate Rogers says, guess who's going to pick up those extra costs?
Employees are going to be picking up those costs because prices are going up across the board here. So employers are going to lower their own costs by passing those costs down the line to their workers.
I would think that the new workers coming on would even that out, but not necessarily the case.
Not necessarily. So now under the ACA, as we all know, every individual has to have health insurance or else they'll face that $95 penalty per year for every year that they choose not to have it. So the easiest way to avoid that is to get onto your employer-sponsored plan.
And your employer was already thinking twice about the wisdom of having such a plan, at least for everybody, right?
Oh, yeah. So now they are doing a few things here. One thing that they're doing is pushing their workers onto higher premium or higher deductible plans. So that's one way to lower the cost of premiums. And another thing,
your overall premium stays the same, but the cost of having it is going to go rising.
Yes, as that deductible goes up, hopefully what they're thinking is that workers will be more conscious of how they're spending their health care dollars. And then another thing that they're doing is jacking up the cost for families. So if your wife and your kids are on your plan, they can charge you more for that. As an individual, they cannot charge you more under the ACA than 9.5% of your annual income. But there's no similar cap for your family.
Won't they crunch these numbers for their existing retirees for whom they provide coverage? Won't they think, well, wait a minute, we got to parcel this out?
They may. I mean, you know, we saw big companies doing this. Starting in the summer, UPS took any employer's spouse off their plan. If your spouse could get coverage through another source, they did that. Then we're seeing other big companies like Ryder Truck Company today saying that their workers are going to be getting higher deductible plans. This is happening across the board, and it's going to be more expensive for workers.
Kate, thank you, I think.
Thank you.